Have you ever seen strategic plans sit on the shelf collecting dust until the exercise is repeated 1 year later? Or companies start but fail? In today's video, let's discuss 5 steps to building an actionable digital transformation plan. Hello, I'm Patrick Miller, and you're in the right place if you want unconventional advice to make it happen. If you haven't already, subscribe on YouTube or connect on LinkedIn so you won't miss future uploads. I have worked in and with many companies who spend more time planning than actually doing. Usually, it is a highly intellectualized exercise and a show of PowerPoint mastery. In its simplest form, a good plan will tell you 3 things: where you're going, how to get there, and most importantly, where and how to start. So instead of turning this into a big strategy exercise, I'll show you how to build a digital improvements backlog that will get you started. Number 1, look within internal functions and ask how information could improve efficiency and effectiveness. For example, look at sales, marketing, and supply chain. Then look across these functions and ask the same question. Most departments have optimized within their boundaries, so most improvement opportunities will come from looking across functions. Note each improvement opportunity with a description in your digital improvements backlog. You don't need to be super precise. We are looking for a helicopter view of the improvement landscape. Number 2, look externally. For example, examine customers, distributors, retail partners, and suppliers. Put yourself in their shoes and ask how you can improve their efficiency and effectiveness. For a supplier, you might ask, how can we be easier to do business with? And for a customer, you might ask, how can we make it easier for you to find our product? You will get a lot of feedback you can add to your digital improvements backlog. You will now have a good list of opportunities to improve your existing business. Next, we'll want to explore the future. Number 3, look ahead. Think about how things could be, not how they are today. Imagine how technology can change your industry. For example, are your traditional routes to market being challenged by online retailers? Is your product becoming commoditized? Look for ways technology can counteract this. Does your product have configurable qualities, or is it capable of providing feedback through sensors? How could that change your offering or create new offerings? Don't be constricted by the limitations today. Think ahead 5 to 10 years and imagine. These will be a little fuzzy, but that is okay at this stage. Add these to your digital improvements backlog. Number 4, identify dependencies between items in the list. Then go through the list and identify required skills and capabilities, both technology and operational. Digital projects often fail not because the technology doesn't work, but due to a lack of operational capability. Note any implied dependencies and required skills and capabilities in your digital improvements backlog. Number 5, prioritize. This is probably the most familiar step and is also the area where companies often fail in their digital transformation. Many will rank opportunities based on impact versus cost, and this assumes the company is capable of executing each opportunity equally. What I recommend is to prioritize based on complexity and current capability. Select the simplest and smallest item and just get started. Your digital journey should start with a step, not a giant leap. And getting into motion will give you confidence and make the next logical step obvious. Here's what you need to remember. Digital transformation doesn't need to start with an exotic strategy delivered by an expensive consultant. A simple framework and some investigative work will give you plenty of internal and external improvement opportunities for your existing business. And a little unconstrained imagination will yield additional opportunities for future evolution. Be sure to understand the dependencies and capability requirements and select the simplest, smallest item and just get started. There are other things that I've learned, and if you would like to share experience, we can arrange a chat. We specialize in providing dedicated, high-performance teams and business prototyping. If you enjoyed the video, like it and share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe on YouTube or connect on LinkedIn so you won't miss future posts. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go make it happen.